What's up, y'all? So today, my friend Ian came over. He has a 2010 G37. We're gonna be doing the straight pipe, seeing if it makes any difference. I know VQ engines are very loud, so I know for sure it's gonna make a difference. Not like the Mercedes. So this is 40 sounds now. Alright, so we currently have the car jacked up. Right down here, we unplugged the little clamp they had. So you guys can see there's, the exhaust coming. So it's not gonna go through the muffler, which is right here. So that should make a difference. We're only gonna do one right now. And then if it's not loud enough, we'll do the second one. All right, here goes just one muffler. It was not loud enough, so we've cut the second one out. So now there's this one and this one out, so it's not going through the muffler on here nor here. So let's see what it sounds like. Here's try number 2. All right, so we just finished doing the straight pipe for the car. We just unhooked the mufflers. My friend Ian is pretty happy, as you can tell. This thing sounds good. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of it. And subscribe. A lot of people watch my videos, but they don't subscribe. You're missing a lot of good content. I'm just saying. For those who have subscribed, thank you so much. I literally heart you. Also, if you haven't checked my other videos out, make sure to go and do so. They're lit. They're pretty cool. Also, a lot of people have to text me on Snapchat or Instagram if that's the right way to do it. Well, it is, but it's not. You're gonna have to do that process if you're gonna do it to your car. It's just that we didn't weld another pipe to the old exhaust. That's the only difference. And another way to do it, which is the more expensive way, is to get a whole exhaust, which is a lot of money. You know, we're talking a few $100s. So, I mean, if you got the money, go for it. But my friend, he just wanted to hear how it sounds. He obviously sounds pretty good. He was happy with it. So that's all that matters. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks so much. Have a good day.